Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeff and I like to ride motorcycles. Today we're at Barber Motorsports Park in the intermediate class. This is Saturday, August 9th, session 5. You never know when you're going to show up in one of these videos. You're going to want to see yourself. See how amazing you look going around the racetrack. Let's go! I hope you enjoy the sights and sounds of Barber. This is a beautiful track if you've never been here. It's one of my favorite tracks for sure. Check out that nice beautiful green island in the middle. I feel like I need a pair of golf clubs to ride around the track with. I hope you enjoy the camera angles here. This is my favorite camera angle for sure. I love the knee down action, which obviously is not going to be in this corner, but looks really cool. Why don't you let me know in the comments section what camera angle is your favorite. And I'm trying to catch up with a couple of fellas here so we can get some more action for different bikes going around my bike, because it's a lot more fun when there's other bikes on the or in the picture in this case. I'm about to pass Paul there in the red. No, he's not slow. He's just on a 400. And you get to see the difference between a leader bike and a 400 going around the track. He disappears on the straightaways and then he shows back up in the corners. I'm sure it's a lot of fun, but I don't know if I would like it. Let's just watch Paul see what he does. favorite section of the track, turn 13 through 17. I love this section because people try to hang on the inside and go really slow, and you can really sweep across the line right in the middle of the track and go right around a lot of people at one time. It's a lot of fun, and that's where the line's supposed to take you anyway. You swing out way wide, and then you can cut in on the curb. If you've ever seen that pit in sign, take a look for it. You drive right at that pit in sign, and then make that your turn-in point once you get way out there. Trouble with your hands falling asleep or going numb, watch my hands. Notice how I'm not really gripping the bar, and see how I'm holding the throttle like a screwdriver right now. You notice that several times I don't really have my fingers wrapped around the bar tight at all. I kind of have my fingers open and I'm rolling the throttle in my hand. You should be doing most of the holding on with your knees and your butt sitting back in the seat. Something I find very interesting about this Insta360 camera is that you can point it down at the suspension and you can watch your suspension work as you go around the track. I find that really interesting to see how the suspension's working, how much is it compressing, where is it compressing, and where am I using it, and where am I not using it enough, right? You want to be able to use your suspension fully. It's nice compression through there. It means I'm actually pushing the front end decently through here. I could still do more. But you can kind of just see what the suspension's doing and adjust your riding to what the suspension's doing. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to wrap this one up. Make sure to like and subscribe. I've got several more videos coming out. Thanks a lot. Keep it on 2.